days at Masinloc Municipal Hall was a meaningful and eye-opening experience. I had the chance to observe how the local government addresses real concerns in the community. I also saw how hardworking the municipal staff are. They begin their day early and stay committed to serving the people. I was inspired by the leadership of Honorable Mayor Hazel Halatalim and Vice Mayor Arsenia Halatalim, along with all her councilors, who showed compassion and dedication in guiding the LGU. One of the highlights of my experience was witnessing the Sangguniang Kabayan's regular session. I've seen how well they talk, express, conduct, understand, as well as cooperate with each other. I could see the laughter and undeniably beautiful smiles of each of them. Joining a clean-up drive at Baywalk with my fellow youth and SK leaders was also diverting. It was a great moment of teamwork and care for the environment. I give my thanks to the supported councilors, especially to my counterpart, Councilor Jen Israel Ehipto. Thank you very much for your guidance and support throughout the time with me. And so, to the person who guided us on our first day in the session hall, Sir Dennis Laika. We sincerely appreciated your efforts. I'm also truly thankful to the Masinloc LGU, especially Mayor Hazel, for welcoming us and giving us the opportunity to meet our local leaders. In just a few days, I gained a deeper understanding of public service and the important role young people can play in building a better community. One day, we'll be able to use these experiences and prove that our micro efforts can effectuate macro effects. I stand here firm, saying, I may not be the most perfect nor the most ideal leader, but I can be the best version of myself. Despite flaws and fears, there's no need for extravagance or flamboyance. We can reach greater heights by simply being a leader within ourselves. Thank you for the chance to be part of something so meaningful. Lakas, salamat po. Mabuhay.
Ayan, maraming salamat po.